everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you're trying to take a picture on your Snapchat and it shows you the poorest quality, then here are some fixes you can try out. First, make sure to delete your Snapchat application from your system and reinstall it back again. If you see a poor quality photo on Snapchat, then you should first try to sign out from the Snapchat. Go to the human icon from the camera screen at the top left corner and tap it on. Tap on the settings button in the top right hand corner from your profile page, scroll all the way down and tap on log out. In the pop-up, if you'd like to save the login information, tap yes and tap on the logout button one more time. Once you're logged out of your Snapchat, from your iPhone, press hold your Snapchat application, tap on remove app, and in the pop-up, tap delete application in order to delete your app from your system. Reinstall your application back, and once it is installed, log into your account and check if the camera issue is fixed or not. If that still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you have updated your iPhone to the latest iOS. Since there is a rare chance that the Snapchat issues due to the software issue, so make sure to be updated to the latest iOS version and go back to Snapchat after you are done and see if that fixed your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Snapchat application is not giving you the best quality of the picture that it should. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.